Morena, good morning. It's Sian here from Kids Greening Taupō. I hope you're all doing well in your own bubbles and you're getting outside and connecting with nature. Today I'm going to be running you through an experiment which is perfect for when it's raining, but if it's not raining you can also just fill a tub with water. So let's get started. What you need. So you need some water, you need a tub or a container, and you need a whole bunch of things that you find outside or in nature. So, what the experiment is, we're going to be testing to see what sinks and what floats. So what stays on the top of the water and what goes right to the bottom. Let's get started. What you do next is you try to guess which of your objects that you've found in nature will sink, so go right to the bottom of the water, and what things will float, stay on top of the water. Let's test that out with the objects that I found in my own backyard. It floats. This looks like a rock, but it's got a whole bunch of little holes in it. This is called pumice. Did you know that it's the only rock that floats? What about this big leaf? That floats as well. What about this acorn and its hat? Oh, the hat sunk. So what do we think about the acorn? The acorn also sank. Now it's your turn to go out into your own backyard and see what sinks and floats. We would love to hear what you find out. See you later. Have fun.